Greetings everyone, today you'll be learning how to build custom Lego living room furniture. Okay, step 1, let's take the 4x6 plate and attach the two inverted 45-degree angle 6x2 doubles on the bottom. Let's put our accent jars together, placing the black studs on top of the translucent red pieces. Now take the two smaller jar pieces and place them in the corner of the 4x6 plate like so. Then the larger jar in the last open corner space. Take one of the cups and place it on the opposite end, and the other cup on the adjacent side. Moving on to step 2, attach two red chairs to the inverted 45-degree angle 6x2. Then repeat again. Place a 1x2 tile opposite of one another on each of the two builds. And let's finish that off by placing a black stud on each of the bottom corners of our sofas. Step 3 is rather quick. Let's put our lamp together by placing the 2x2 round tile on top of the 2x2 round grill brick. Then slide the top of the antenna into the round grill brick. And complete by placing the 2x2 inverted radar dish on the bottom of the antenna. That completes our living room furniture build today. Let me know what type of future build you'd like to see, and I'll see you next time. Happy building.